Do you know there was once a soft drink company that owned a navy? During the Cold War, the Pepsi made a deal with the Soviet Union. Because the Soviet Union didn't use dollars, they paid with military equipment. At one point, Pepsi received warships, submarines, and destroyers as payment. For a short time, Pepsi became one of the largest naval powers in the world. This bizarre moment became known as the Pepsi Navy, one of the strangest deals in history. If you liked the video, please like, share, comment, follow, and visit LostLegacyFiles. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell so that all my upcoming videos can reach you.